Do we have a scorekeeper?
Are you guys starting?
Oh, wait.
Are you doing both?
He's doing both. I just started recording. If that was the first pitch.
All right, that was the first.
Go ahead. I'll tell
Here,
you.
I'll
what
sub
happened
him out.
over here.
I'll have him catch the rest of the game, and I'll just do this game.
You're right, too. He's in my head.
Hey, I'll catch right now if you want to just.
Yeah, we're making a sub.
Yeah, we're just doing a substitution, everybody.
I'll pick it now.
It's for me. Really? Good pitch. Strike 3.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Was he doing it?
Well, he's getting paid, so he wants you to pay double. Makes sense.
Ah, okay.
It's early in the morning. I can't actually see the ball yet.
So do you want to switch back?
No.
Sure.
31.
Hey, I want credit for that put out.
I hope Callie's not watching this on camera.
What did did someone announce that substitution? Drive down.
Yeah. I don't take taxis. I just take not my car.
Wait, did he say that?
Yes.
This guy's unreal. I'm submitting a stat correction for that, though. I'm getting credit for that put out.
Yeah.
You think he's ever taken Uber X in his life?
Oh, God, no. He probably takes Uber XL just because it's more expensive.
And cancels it if it's not the car. He doesn't. He like.
Yeah.
Oh, sick! There goes the no-no.
Steal second. Yeah. Start running the ball. I think the catcher could throw you out running the second.
Pop up to the plate. Got to flip the hat off.
Yeah. I was seeing on every pop fly doing the, like, holding it, tossing it away.
Oh, my bad. Good pitch.
No read.
Brutal.
Bonus. What a strike.
That's fine. Go. Second.
Go offense.
He's going to be out at first anyway, thank God.
What's the order?
Hello, Jack, Ty, Matt.
Get out of that.
That's what gets my count on.
I love that. I do that. Now it has three.
Ready to roll?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Who was the player of the week? Were you nominated?
They do a little Marcus hop.
Oh, yeah.
That's how I feel start right
Right on the money, baby.
Yeah. Go back to the
Like a $5,000 gallon party. No, if we win like the league.
You know, how do you make it move?
We haven't
Go
catched
lower.
it.
Go low.
Go low.
We don't want to go to Vegas for like having a what?
Oh, baby!
Wow.
Foul ball. Yeah. Good job, man. Nice strike. Barely. Long strike.
I want to go to Vegas and have $1,000 gambling money, and each of us get another $1,000 walking on.
I think.
And then we get our dinner and our strip club.
Oh.
30. Yeah, dude, I guarantee he knows everything.
A little hot, a little hot.
Yeah. think we should do that. Well, our other thing was like working in like the Nationals game, like around a congressional.
Helmets are such a great touch.
Yeah. Well, Jack and Jim don't like caddies.
They are.
They're great.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It'd be awesome. Like, I don't need someone else to see how bad I am at golf. Here we go, Jacko. That's alright, it's alright. We're getting back in this one.
Hey!
What was that last play over here?
Pop out to the pitcher.
Everyone involved.
Be honest, Ty, you didn't see that coming, did you?
What?
That wonderful pitching performance.
Oh, it was fantastic. It's almost like we haven't played in a month.
Oh, one of those.
Oh, good legs over there.
Good hustle. Good pitch.
29. I'm not this is work. That's what your seats were.
But he did look really
Oh, really?
And a baby!
Remember the first week we were throwing the ball around after we
What? No, I had
How many games you played?
another one.
But it was working, right?
That was the one.
Is that the rule you only three?
I'm going to follow the cord back.
But let's say like I'm on a team. So 3 and then no more.
Are they outs after that? Yeah, you're getting up there.
Saving the arm, saving the arm.
Contact.
Alright, I think it's in that little pocket there.
What did Tom do?
89 mile an hour swing.
Gotta be 100, gotta be 100.
You practice these warm-ups, bunch of putters.
Great boy.
Let it continue. He's slumping.
Oh man.
Yeah.
It's not as easy as it looks to them.
He's slumping.
Tony coming? I don't know. We're black car right now.
Good pitch.
That's pitching.
Oh shit. Once Cambodia this massive, that's too much life.
That a baby?
Sir, yes sir. Stay hot. Here we go.
I know it's been deep.
That's ridiculous. We should turn around and run to third.
We're in the suicide.
Best offensive season of his career. Want to wear your hat?
Yeah. No, give me that.
You swing hard as 96.
Start.
You didn't contract negotiations.
Like this.
He's talked about it. I mean, I don't know if this specifically, but
Is it? He sent me like a PDF. Like, buy a feel. Like,
Take it, take it. Drop. Nice shot. So weird.
Go, boys.
Weird route.
It was.
Not great, but you know, I'm not about looking pretty. Get me out.
there he is.
Is that the beer?
Yeah. I see him.
Is that the beer?
Right.
Okay.
It's not
Yeah.
Any luck there?
No, not charged.
Seems fine.
This is not working. How about that here at the end? Can you plug in?
Low alcohol content over there.
What?
Low alcohol content.
Love the effort there.
Is that served by the catering company?
Too quick, something like that. I'll ask him.
What's in there? What's in there?
Water.
Burn.
Whoa, that was a good pitch.
Make him more.
Wow.
I've got his hand in his pocket.
Make up for the less of that. 22.
Two strikes.
2 strikes.
That was a good pitch.
I think you wanted to strike out, that's why I didn't go for the foul ball.
That's what it was. It wasn't that you didn't even see it.
Nope. Wasn't paying attention, not even a little bit.
That's where I want him. Oh, that's almost impossible to do. Ty, throw another one.
Yeah. Huge.
Woo-wee!
Discerning eyes, please.
Woo-wee!
Agent arm angle.
Make that picture work. I think that was a new one. I think I've seen that angle.
Yep.
Keep him guessing, keep him guessing. Eat it.
Stay there. 5 and.
Gotta get him here, gotta get him here. Here we go.
Wow, that was dirty.
Nothing.
Yes, sir.
Got it, baby.
Guys, get the basketball.
Go, Jack. Let's give him the old barn burner one, too.
Just a dress. That was dirty. Seeing it from behind you, that was back to the slider. Frisbee.
Oh shit. Sorry.
I don't jump very well.
All right, we gotta get some offense going. Here we go. Here we go, Jack. Yeah, I thought I was scoring on that one.
Tony's, you were there?
Yeah.
They played on Thursday, so that's not easy.
There you go, Jack.
You there?
You there?
Hostile.
Had a baby.
Had a lot of spin on it.
Alright, send it back.
Good thing you got my helmet on.
That's all you wore, right?
That's open season, by the way.
0 for 9.
You want to be the first company?
Shock.
What's that? That fast pitch tournament screwed up everything. Yeah, about the batteries just in case. That's what it was.
I still don't get why they play that fast pitch tournament. Fucked everything up.
When I head back over, I'll make sure you plug that.
I got one.
Like the charging
A lot of people get robbed against each other.
Oh, man.
I think it was, but I'm not sure.
2 strikes?
Huh?
2 strikes?
There it is. Why you can find another charge out of it.
Damn it. Nice play.
We're doing our dance thing. Doesn't have to look pretty.
Here's the ball out there.
Zany toe back there. Huge leg.
Bottles?
Did it read?
Ever
76 first ever PWL beer break.
So he has to serve you beers. He can give each person like 3 or 4.
Okay.
So if you want to send one person from your team while he's out here,
I'll be the
he's not
team
gonna
guy.
be out here full time and grab a beer now.
Just remember, Chris has got to pay for it all at the end of the day.
Oh,
Okay.
we're very familiar with the galley though.
Maybe I need to go get a couple more cases.
Yeah.
So yeah, grab a beer for your team. You guys. Oh no, Chris is the paper.
So he has to serve you beer. Alright, you can give
2 strikes.
out like 3 or 4 per person. He can't give you all. But he's not going to be there all day. So
Got a baby.
how long is he going to be there? And make sure you clear your trash. We've got a trash bag there.
Struck out swinging.
How long is he going to be there?
I will say you look more natural than you're being now. You're still on. A lot of practice. Try that at the.
Where is he?
Yeah, just under the
Right hand.
I unplugged it and plugged it back.
That was pretty
Look at
mixed
this
up,
guy.
But I really hope that's like the shoe one.
Did you try the different
Yes, I was paying attention. That was a tough one too.
Oh.
I'll go get the beers. Where are you up? Or no, you.
I got the double play.
No, I'm
Gag.
up.
Ten gagging in the box.
Yep, got it.
Oh, never mind.
That one's mine.
That was a back in London.
It's a new-
Where the hell's that bat?
Just charge it to Galloway.
Yeah, none of them are working.
That was an interesting way to hold beers.
Now it is or no? None of the others.
I'm going to put these so I don't.
Now, Gagnon, can you hold the beer and swing at the same time?
Like, I'm gonna sure try.
There should be some.
All right.
Actually,
Spot for
there's
it.
the under the deck there where the balls are. You know that overhead deck there?
Yeah. Okay.
The little roof?
Yeah.
It's in that big box of balls.
Just got it. Just the orange got it.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Plug the charger directly into it. Thank you.
He's out.
Oh, wow. Challenge. No, the one right behind that. That's mine. It's easier when it's. If you couldn't tell by all the foam that's inside of it.
Right. These ones fell. This one fell too.
Jesus.
And that one fell. So they all fell. All right, here, watch this.
Alright, yeah, grab a...
I'm just gonna put him right here.
Alright,
Or
Ty,
say,
you're
no, watch
catching
this.
here.
Grab a bucket.
That's that questionable call at first base.
All right, I'm gonna go catch.
Too small for beers.
Good.
Did that? He hit a breaker.
Only need one hand.
Any luck?
There was one.
Gag, you have ice in the bucket?
I do not. That would be a good call. These are open now.
Yeah, it definitely is working.
Get there.
Good too.
No doubles.
There's gonna be singles and home runs today.
One pitch here, fielder, and a catcher. Maybe a 2 wild bird.
Yeah, exactly.
I like this track.
Okay, yeah. Charging.
Good?
Here, not over.
We're serious enough. We like the language. We have had no Everybody's happy. Got a night away from the old days. Ice, bow, whack.
That was almost a double play.
One way to do it. Yeah, a little more foot speed.
I'll be here all day.
It's only like 100 feet away.
Shane Bolt's 200 time. My first and second on this field.
There will be no extra base hit.
I was actively trying to get it second. Hit it very hard.
I'm up.
Yeah. The way it works is hold the hit.
For just a second.
You drop balls, you're holding beer.
Did you see the last inning? I sniped one out of the air last inning.
Oh, did you? Oh, that was when I was going to get beer.
Braden Hope, yeah.
There is something a little
I kind of like it.
Second to home's like a 4 around the base.
I can imagine with this breeze at Gravely, it'd be like 20 miles an hour.
Yeah. Oh God.
Or if I do some kind of thing where like I toss the beer in the air and I catch the ball and then I catch the beer.
That would be actually tough.
And it doesn't matter that it's glass because I got a helmet on.
Nice.
Get some runs.
I guess.
Fucking on my whip.
You got an extra beer?
I'll make last out of you.
That's so funny. Galley has to pay for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, go get us some ice. Go get us some ice. Wait, what?
Yeah, that's one really helped me.
What are they?
Oh baby.
Oh, thanks.
Needed
that one.
Love that tree.
Oh, look at that. We got a bucket of beer. Can we go to Flanagan's after the game?
Wait, Jack, did you guys go to Flanagan's again? Were you back in for the tournament? No, we didn't. We went to,
Oh, there it is.
sir!
Well,
God, I hate you. Japanese steakhouse in Galilee.
damn it!
He's throwing sake glasses over his shoulder. On the edge. Shattered one. Yeah.
Boy, he's serious.
Yeah.
You guys remember when Tony took away Ty's on hip shoe?
That was my first at bat and I've been cursed ever since.
Tony's like, I think on first base he's hitting. And like,
Hit it off the wall.
so they hit him out.
We talked about this. Oh, the top of the leg.
The beer is free today. Drop it.
Tag one.
Run the first.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
See if we can erase the tape on that one.
Yeah, right?
Fielder's choice is what that's going down as.
Yep. Hard side hustle here. Looks like a preseason game.
You go for 11.
Post. I don't know why I did that. It was unnecessary.
It looked good.
It is about a quarter
It's
mile.
not your game. Ball on the ground.
I had
I had fun last week.
I thought I had one first at that. I think if we had the shitty outside, they might have called it all time. All right. What inning are we in?
I have no idea.
Good question.
What inning are we in?
We're in the bottom of the last.
One of the 6.
We're the home team, though.
Yeah,
Oh, we're in the top of the last. Rather.
All right.
much rather.
You guys have any score, Kenny? Nope.
We play you guys next, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, back to back.
Strike one.
I just don't.
26. Great pitch. I mean, what are you going to do?
Good pitch, man. Good pitch.
Just like hoping? Love it. You weren't not even distracted by the little leg.
I prefer it.
You're ready. Throw it the right way.
Helps the timing.
Like that's what you saw.
I like it.
You gotta lean in and out.
I think he caught it.
I think you caught it.
Got it.
Yeah.
You did not get it.
Damn it.
Bro, you're not winning those goals.
Ty, I got one.
I had 26 written all over it.
Hang tough. What was it? Good eye. Right eye.
Yo, want me to check it real quick? Say hi.
Press the on button.
Kilometers.
There we go. All right. Good eye. Bring it to the heat. Before it takes you there. Love it. Wasted.
What?
Fine.
Still has it.
You are impressive. You're going to earn that hit. Whatever. Why not? You're alive.
That was a good swing.
Strike out already.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Good piece, Spencer.
Yeah, we got 4 now.
Warm it out for you.
You guys are home, right? 6.
Oh, good.
You got a Cy Young award-winning pitcher in the bullpen there. Shut up.
That was very serious. He wasn't kidding. Shut up. Good eye.
Yeah.
Now you're close.
That was close.
Not my best work.
We need Jack to hammer us home next half inning.
It's a great looking hack though.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's good.
Damn it.
What inning are you in?
Top 6.
Top 6.
Alright, guys.
Who's up?
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Who's up?
I'm up. Neto, you're up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We gotta get on the board here. Let's go. There it is. There it is.
So we gotta get something.
Good cut. That's a good cut. Right on him, right on him. You don't want that shit. Phone is too short. Yeah, what you doing? Email? I did. I just sent it. All it takes is one, Jeff. All it takes is one. Here we go.
Yeah, baby. Run it out.
Out. Here we go, Jack.
Good play.
Damn.
That's a base hit ground. Nice.
Yeah.
Like through a door. Yeah. Bathrooms through the stairway go down across the pavilion.
Big cut, big miss.
And a bathtub. And the number 2 bedroom. That's good.
Yeah. Coming.
Hey, you got under it. You got under it. You got under it. You got under it.
No, we did.
Make the call, Commissioner. Commissioner, make under that.
I didn't see you touch him.
I absolutely hit him in the leg.
Isn't it
Well,
the defense
To the point that I bent the ball in.
I thought he got under it. Isn't it the rule is it's a defense call, right?
That sounds like bullshit. How is that fair?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that dude there?
It looked like you got under it.
You just get a handful? What? You get a handful of them? I could use one too. Oh, yeah. Dude, where do we go?
Why'd you give it so lightly? The commissioner's ready to tell us who's safe. Not enough, though.
We play on this field again?
Yeah, let's just play again.
We're going to just play again.
He's getting beers and then
Oh, you're playing them again?
Right? And then we
Oh,
play.
yeah, you are. Twits are home.
Finish.
No,
Okay.
not at all. I'll be in
Same
the
lineups?
We lost.
Staying loose. Yes.
Okay.